Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this smart band. To change the straps, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your smart band, and once you grab it, flip it around, and on the back of your smart band you should see that next to each strap we have the button basically, and this is the release button, and to release the strap you simply press on this button and then pull it out like this. It's quick release basically. That's how it works. You push on the button right here and then pull it and it should come out. So if you press on the button, pull on the strap, it should come out. And here we have our straps and our smart band. And once you get the new straps, you simply take a strap and you put it right here, because as you can see we have this metal part, it goes into this hole in the middle and the pins on the sides go on the holes and on the sides. So it's quite simple, just push it in, it will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple. Like this. And that's how you change the straps on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.